Hey, welcome to Facebook Traffic Secret Masterclass. And this masterclass, I'm going to teach you how exactly you can learn Facebook advertising step by step, even though you are completely new, you never done before, or you tried and failed, or you're getting things done from agency. And I'm going to share really powerful strategies. Most of the agency owners, digital marketing agency, social media agency, they don't share, they hide from you. But I'm going to reveal all those strategies so that you can become a master of Facebook advertising, generate a lot of leads for your business as a marketing channel, because traffic is the number one, I can say, the source of any business to grow, right? In marketing part, we need to generate unlimited leads for your business growth. That exactly same formula I'm going to teach you, step by step formula, so that you can learn, implement and grow your business. All right, I'm super excited, my friend. I'm super excited, and let me give some insight here, my friend. So whatever I'm going to share with you, that is all based on my practical experience, what I learned, what I am consulting my clients, or what I am implementing. This is going to be all practical live training program, not only conceptual, but this is going to be step by step formula. I'm going to teach you step by step, even though you're completely new, technical, never done before, that this is going to be great for you, or you tried or you didn't get any success as you desire or expected. But I'm going to share really amazing tools for you, how you can run those ads for lead generation, conversion ads, or any basic ad, brand awareness, and at best cost per lead and other things. I'm going to share all the strategies. So let me just walk you through that, what exactly inside the curriculum. But before we start, my friend, are you excited to learn? If you want to get best out of this, please think from the student mindset and make a lot of notes, so that you will be learning step by step, and you have the lifetime access so that you can review here, watch these videos again. Let's get started. Let me show you my curriculum here. Let me jump to my screen. Let me show you exactly what is inside that. So yeah, so here we go. If you can see my screen, first section is Facebook ad workshop. First section is welcome and getting started. So inside that, we'll be discussing about three letters. Lesson 1, welcome and learning agenda. I will be sharing learning agenda completely, what is all about, and exactly I'm going to share step by step there. Lesson number 2, we have the why Facebook ads are important for your business growth, why it is playing big role. I'm going to share all detailed statistics. That's very important. Lesson number 2. Lesson number 3, how to get started and foundational requirement. So I will be teaching what are the basic requirement, what are the tools and platform you need to have in place before you start implementing this step by step. So I will go deep into that part. Then my friends, second section, we have understand the key element of Facebook ads. I will be going deep into that. So basically we have lesson number 1 is business manager and ad manager, and let's understand the campaign objectives. I will be discussing about that. Lesson number 3, we have understand the Facebook ad sets and its components and its purpose. Facebook ad copies formula and some important tips. We'll be going to that part in second section. Then we have section number 3. So here exactly as I told you, this will be going practical. I will be showing you practical live campaigns from my campaigns, also my running live campaigns from my clients. Also, I will be helping you to give formula how exactly you can build step by step your campaign. So here you go. Lesson number 1, we'll be discussing about how the industry run ads and how you can be differentiate and win in this world. I'll be sharing all the strategies. Then audience targeting strategy. And I will be walking through completely live demo of conversion campaign driving action to your website or landing page. You might be having online store or webinars. Basically, I do live webinars to how you can build that campaign step by step. That I will be guiding. And lesson number 4, I will be guiding how to run and create the lead generation campaign for local business or even the online business. That will be discussing about that, how to promote your. That also I will go to small but very important demo there, live demonstration. This is very important. Then we have 4th section. In 4th section, I'm going to share really crazy but powerful Facebook ad strategies. Most of the people, agencies don't share with anyone, right? That is important. I'm going to discuss about that. So we'll be discussing about Facebook algorithms, new ad creation like scale up strategies, some touch point to optimize your campaign, and secret strategies targeting your audience, and understand the major KPIs that matters, how to measure the performance of your ad campaigns. That we're going to discuss about that step by step. Then have section number 5, like advanced Facebook ad the targeting strategies. I will be sharing some remarketing and some look-like audiences. Those strategies will be there. Section number 3, how to how Facebook guide to reporting and optimization. Very important, how to optimize and see the reporting, how overall your campaign is going on, whether you're in profit or not. That will be doing that there. And section number 7, important tools and services. That is going to make your life easy. I'm going to share really powerful, practical, tested tools for you. And section number 8, what next, how you can take your game to next level, how you can take best out of this. I'm going to discuss about that on more deeper level reporting and stats. So now my friend, let me tell you here in this important tools, like the tools that will be making your life easy, how not to get your Facebook, your account disabled, how not to get, okay, how not to get your account, how not to get, oh yeah, so here we go, and do's and don'ts of Facebook advertising and some learning resources. All right, so this was a little bit about my curriculum here. I will be going deep into this. This is not only small program but intensive and deep training. I'm going to teach you from basic to till the time you can launch your campaign successfully. And let me tell you, my friend, you might be saying that why I should listen to you. So I'm personally consulting a lot of clients on their funnel, Facebook advertising, campaigning to run the campaigns successfully with profits. Also, I help a lot of my clients, or as a consulting my student, to how to find the bottlenecks on this Facebook campaigning. And so that is exactly, I'm sharing all case studies, as well as I personally has for me and my client generated more than 25 to 30,000 lead at the average cost of 50 to 60 rupees in tough time. And right now I'm generating cost per lead like around 20 rupees to 30 rupees. In case you are in US or in dollar, I can say below $1 cost per lead for your per lead of prospect client with qualified customer. All right, my friends, so this is all I'm going to give step by step, and step by step formula. Will be going step by step and make a lot of note, and let's get started now. In next video I'm going to discuss about why it's important to get started. This was the first video, and if you are super excited, if you think that, if you are super pumped, share your all comments below. I would love to hear personally and I will reply back to you. So let's move to the next lesson and let's get started, do some work.